For example, let's have these equations. First step is to convert them into augmented matrix. I will be solving it in terms of Gaussian and Gauss-Jordan. So we are going to convert it into matrix. So this will be -1. In Cramer's rule, this is your coefficient matrix. This is your column vector or column matrix. That if you're going to the first step in Cramer's rule, get the determinants of this one. Then if you're going to find the value of your x, okay, disregard this, replace it by this one, then get the determinants, divide it by the determinants of the coefficient matrix, okay. And then if you want to solve for your y, disregard this column, replace it with your column matrix, then solve the new determinants, then divide it with the determinants of the coefficient matrix. Ganon din in Z. So here, in Gaussian elimination, first step is look for the entry or the element 1, 1 of your equations to have a value of 1. As you can see, it is -1. You have the option to divide it by -1 to make it 1. Or, as you can see, these equations, you have this in equation 3. Another option is to interchange these two equations. So, I opt to interchange them. So, interchanging them, it will give you a new matrix of 1, 5, -1, -20, then still 4, -5, 4, and 19. And the last one will be -1, -5, -5, and 2. So, as you can see here, interchanging equation 1 and equation 3 will give you an entry element of 1. So, it lessens the division. So, next is to turn these two elements into 0. So, I will do that by having these equations. So, we need 4R1 minus R2, and to change your R3 into 0 as well, it will be R1 plus R3. Solving that, you will have the same row 1, 5, -1, and -20. So that will be 4 times 1 is 4, minus 4 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 5 is 25. Then 4 times -1 is -4, minus 4 will give you -8. And 4 times -20 is what? Minus 19 is how much? The next 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then, -1 minus 5 is -6. And 20 plus 2 is -18. How much is this middle? -99. Be careful dito. Kasi, pag nagkamali kayo ng isang element dito, mali lahat yan. In our Gaussian elimination, our target is for you to have 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, asterisk, 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 then asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. The next step is to make this into 1. Hindi pala. Ito pala muna. So, that is by multiplying your row 2 into 1 over 25 will give you then 0, 1, ito 0, 0, -6, -18. Since, siya, Gaussian, pwede na natin itong ituloy. Ito, -1, 6, R3. But if you're not yet that familiar, step by step tayo. Element 2, 3 will become -8 over 25. Then the last one will be -99 over 25. It's okay if like that. Then this will give you 1, and -18 divided 6 is 3. So that means in this solution, we already have the z. The question is, tama ba siya? Substitution method to the row 2 equation, that is y minus 8 over 25z equal to negative 99 over 25. So that is y minus 8 over 25 times 3 equal to negative 99 over 25. What's the value of y? Then equation row 1, so it will be x plus 5y minus c equal to negative 20. We are going to look for x plus 5 times the value minus 3 equal to 20. So what's the value of y? Negative 3. Then this will become negative 3. What's the value of x? Negative 20. So our x is what value? Negative 2. Substituting it to our equation, let's say 4 times negative 2 minus 5 times negative 3 plus 4 times 3, is it equal to 19? So that is how you solve Gaussian elimination, one row at a time. So if you want to continue that, Gauss-Jordan elimination. So 1, 5, negative 1, negative 20. Then we have 0, 1, then negative 8 over 25, then negative 99 over 25. Then this is 0, 0, negative 6, negative 18. 0, the upper part, that is 5 R2 minus R1, negative 1, 6, R3. Pwede natin isabayan. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, negative 8 over 25. Then this will become 1. Then this will become 3. This is negative 99 over 25. The question is, 5 times 1 is 5 minus 5 is 0. Then 5 times negative 825 minus negative 1 will give you negative 3/5. Then negative 99 over 25 minus 20 will give you 1/5. Gauss-Jordan is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. So next is 8, 25, R3 plus R2. Then 3 over 5, R3 plus R1. Why? Because we have to zero this portion. Will give you 8 over 5 times row 3 plus row 2, 1 and negative 825 is 0. Next is 3 ang R3, then negative 99 over 25 will give you negative 3. Then 3/5 R3 plus R1. Our R3 is 1. Then our R1 is negative 3/5. Will give you 0. And the last one will be 3. Then 1. Yun lang. Pag lawas dito, positive siya, edi baliktaran nyo lang siya. Pwede naman yan. Positive, positive. The answer is positive 2. Kunyari, hindi natin alam that the answer should be negative 2 for your x. We substitute it from the equation. Negative x minus 5y minus 5z equal to 2. So that is negative 2 minus 5, negative 3 minus 5, 3 equal to 2. So we know this is cancelled, so it is not. So the last thing, you go back to the solution where, of course, mali na yung x natin. So, and basing on that equation, dapat negative yung ating x to turn it to positive. So you have to change this both into negative. Okay? Why? Because negative 3/5 times 3 minus 1/5 will give you negative 2. Changing it here, the first solution is, first confirmation is this one, which is wrong. So you substitute it again, negative x minus 5y minus 5c should be equal to 2. So that is negative of negative 2 minus 5 times negative 3 minus 5 times 3 equal to 2. So this is negative 15 plus 15 to 2. Is it equal na? Yes.